Alrighty, I want to do a quick start guide for this product here, which you can use to test your 18650s, see if they still got life in them. This is great if you take apart a big pack which has some bad cells and you want to reuse those good cells for something else. So here we go. We've got 4 channels. You have one power supply for the first 2 channels, one power supply for the second 2 channels. That's USB-C. You can do channel select with this button. So there's channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, and now we're going to go to channel 4. Now we're going to pop this battery in. It is a bad battery, but it's going to be good for demonstration purposes. And we know it's bad because we're going to get very close to 0 voltages on this. But we'll look at these menu options down here. So these are our modes. So mode is charge, discharge, and auto. From there we have our stop function, where we can set a value between 2.5 all the way to 3.5. And then below that we have a loop function. We can loop the charge or discharge or auto function up to 9 times. So we're going to set that back at 1. Okay, so now let's pop a battery that has some voltage on it back in this. And we'll get this going. So this one has 3.2 volts, and then I can adjust my mode there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave it on 1 loop, and now we can start here. And now we're starting. So we got a little timer there, and it's good to go. You can set your camera on time lapse and then just kind of see what you see. Link to this is in the description below, and if you click on that link and buy something on Amazon, it really helps this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you around.